I have a good news for you. Confluent Data Streaming Engineer is now available for free. If we scroll down, it says free of charge. And what we'll get will be getting the digital badges and some exclusive access. So let's begin. The good thing is that we can directly begin with the exam. So here is what we are expected. The topics are mentioned here, and we have the tutorials as well. You can go through this tutorial, it will be helpful, and we have some sample test as well. If you want, if you can go through, we can directly begin the exam. So it's a straightforward process. We need to click here, it will open in a new tab. You need to provide your email, first name, last name, company. So this can be anything, but please make sure to provide the correct email, first name and last name, and company name. It's star mandatory. And then I'm not a robot will let's quickly fill out details, and then I'll click start exam after checking I'm not a robot. And here we go, it will check all these things, cookies, browsers. If it is all okay, I'll click on proceed, and this is the agreement. I'll just go down and click agree and continue. And here are the instruction. What we have on us to take the exam, and what type of we may flag. These instructions are basically given, and if the successful will receive an email from our batching, awarding to the digital batch, will get a digital batch, right? We do need to check the spam folder as well if you don't receive the digital batch after passing, and we can also reattempt after 24 hours even if you fail. So please do not worry, you can reattempt anytime after 24 hours. Let's click agree and continue, and as soon as we click, it will just pop up the number of questions, that is 30, and we got 1 hour. So we got 2 minutes to answer each question. I'll click I'm ready to begin, and here we go. We'll be starting with the questions. We need to give the correct answers, and here goes the timer. So that's what goes for this video. Please share this with your friends and colleagues so that it can help them as well. Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.